Hello everyone. Today I will cover the basic of 2D geometry. After that I will start the straight line. Okay. First understands the what is rectangular coordinate systems. It is in general x-axis and y-axis. If x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular, then we call this is rectangular coordinate systems. This between the y-axis and x-axis is 90 degree. That's why we called it rectangular coordinate systems. If I take any point from positive x-axis side, this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, and for similarly this is positive y-axis and this negative y-axis. Okay, clear? And this is called origin. Okay, if I take any point from this right side of O, this, then this is called positive. Okay, assume I take positive 3, 1 2 3. Okay, and then I want to go y-axis side into 1 2. This is, then I can write 3 comma 2 this point as denotation. Okay, similarly if I take any point in that region, so I go first 1 2 3 and want to go negative side. This is -1, this is -2, so that point should be look like 3 comma -2. Clear? Okay, now this area is called first quadrant. Okay, and this area is called second quadrant. Okay, and this third quadrant and this fourth quadrant. Clear? I think clear. If I want to go negative side in x-axis first, then I have to go 1 2 3 4 -4. Then I want to go positive y-axis. Assume I want to go to 2 positive y, that means 1 2. What will be the coordinate for this point? -4 comma 2. Clearly, similarly if I want to go from here to negative y-axis side, that means -1. I want to go -3, my 1 -2 -3. This point should be -4 comma -3. Okay, I think clear this rectangular coordinate systems. So why it is called rectangular? Because of two x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other. Clear? Then oblique coordinate systems, it's look like same things. Okay, if two ordinate axis, that means x-axis and y-axis, if they have a angle which is not 90 degree, look here, this alpha is not equal to 90 degree, then this coordinate system is called oblique coordinate systems. Clear? This is another type of coordinate systems, but in your syllabus there is no application, but still you have to know. Okay, now the third coordinate systems, which is called polar coordinate systems. Okay, try to understand. A systems which have pole, this O is called pole. Okay, and this O to X is called ray. Okay, clear? Then these coordinate systems, if I want to means something, give coordinate value like p, assume p is any point, how to give the coordinate of that value? Okay, this is called r comma theta. How? This length from O to P is r, and whatever angle is making in ray, with ray, that theta is here. Okay, how to denote it? Just look an example. For example, 1 minute. For example, I here O start and this is X. Okay, assume this point is P. Okay, then what will be the coordinate of that point P? First you have to find the length of OP. Assume this is 5. Okay, and this is making an angle, assume it is making an angle 45 degree. So what will be the coordinate for P in this polar coordinate systems? That means 5 comma 45 degree, or you can write 5 comma pi by 4. Clear? I think so. That's is the another coordinate system. This is called polar coordinate systems. Okay, next, distance between two points. These have more applications in these chapters. Okay, so try to understand. If P and Q be 2 points, okay, then what will be the distance between that 2 points? Look here the formula: square root of x2 minus x1 this x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so if I give you, so for example, I want to give an example. For example, I give 2 comma 3 points, first points, second points 3 comma 4. So what will be the distance between in these 2 points? Our formula is here. Okay, try to um, convert this. Assume this is x1, this is y1. Okay, and this is x2, this is y2. Clear? Now what will be the distance between these 2 points? D equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square, that means 3 minus 2 square. Clear? And y2 minus y1 square, then means 4 minus 3 square. Okay, what will be the answer? That means 1 plus 1. This will be square root 2. Clear? I think. Now next I want to give some another questions. Okay, take an example. Example 2. First questions. If the distance between 2 point, one point is k comma 2 and second point is 3 comma 4. Okay, if the distance between A and B is 8, then what is the value of k? Then what is the value of k? Try to solve. Try to solve. So first find the distance between A and B. Assume AB distance equal to D. This is, and what is the formula for x2 minus x1 square? That means 3 minus k square. You can write also k minus 3 whole square, k minus 3 whole square also you can write. Okay, same thing will happen. Plus then y2 minus y1 square, that means 4 minus 2 square. What will be the value then? 3 minus square, 3 minus k whole square plus 4 minus 2, this is like 2 square means 4. Okay, given that this value is equal to 8, that means I have to write square root of 3 minus k square plus 4 equal to 8. Clear? Then taking both sides as a square. Okay, then if I take square in both sides, then what will be happen? 3 minus k square plus 4 equal to 8 square. Clear? Then 3 minus k whole square equal to 64 minus 4. I can write this should be 60. What will be the value for 3 minus k? 3 minus k equal to plus minus square root 60. Clear? K equal to, I can write 3 plus minus root 60. This is your answer. Okay, and try another questions also. Second question is, what is the distance between 2 points? Let me change the color. What is the distance between 2 points? First given point is P, which is sine theta cos theta. Second point is cos theta minus sine theta. Just find what is the distance between P and Q. So try to apply the formula, just only apply x2 minus x1 square, that means cos theta minus sine theta square, plus y2 minus y1 square, that means minus sine theta minus cos theta square. Clear? Then apply a minus b formula here. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then similarly for this minus should be going to plus because of the square. That means a plus b whole square sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Clear? Then what is the value for sine square theta plus cos square theta? This should be 1. This is also 1, and this this should be cut it. So 1 plus 1 equal to square root 2. Clear? This is the answer. And now going to next topic, application of distance formula. Okay, try to understand. Whenever you have 3 points, that 3 points can form two types. What is first type should be collinear and second type is triangle. Try to understand. If I give you 3 points, then that 3 points can make a collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means collinear means 3 points belong to a same single line. That means if you have A, B, C, 3 points, that 3 points belongs to same line. Okay, this is the meaning of collinear. And another case should be they can make a triangle. That means they are not collinear. Okay, that means maybe assume A point here, B point here, C point here, where you can take, but it must should be in not not in a line. They cannot belongs to a line. Okay, then if I add this, sorry, here I can make a triangle. Okay, so if you have 3 points, there are two possibilities. One possibility is collinear and second possibility is they can make a triangle. Okay, how to check then? um, 3 points making a collinear. Assume I have 3 points P, okay, A, B, C. If they are lying in a single line, then this should be look like for. Okay, try to understand. What will be the conditions for collinearity? The distance between AB name as AB. Okay, distance between BC name as BC. Distance between AC name as AC. Just tell me, can I write AC equal to AB plus BC? Yes, because the distance between A and B is equal to the distance between AB plus distance between BC. This is the condition for collinearity. Clear? Okay, let uh, do some example. Okay, first I give you 3 points. Okay, first point 2 comma minus 4, second point 4 comma minus 2, third 7 comma 1. Okay, try to check what they are making a form a line or a triangle. Okay, if these 3 points are making a straight line or whatever they are lying in single line, then assume this is A, 2 comma minus 4. Okay, assume B here, 4 comma minus 2, and C 7 comma 1. What is our collinearity conditions? This is our collinearity conditions. Okay, that means try to find the distance. Just find the distance AB. What is the distance formula then? Y2 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1, 4 minus 2 square plus minus 2 minus 4, that means minus 2 minus of minus 4, that means plus 4 whole square. Okay, what will be the value? This is 4, this is also 4, equal to 2 root 2. Clear? AB. Then find BC. Find BC. Just BC value, what? Square root of x2 minus x1 square, 7 minus 4 square, plus 1 minus of minus 2, that means plus 2, sorry, minus of minus 2, that means 1 plus 2 whole square. This should be equal to 7 minus 4, 3, 3 square 9, plus 3 square also 9, that means 3 root 2. Clear? Then find the AC value. Square root of 7 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 4, that means 1 plus 4 square. This is 5 square 25 plus again 25, that means 5 root 2. Look here, AC equal to 5 root 2. Clear? I can write 5 root 2 as a 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. Yes or not? Yes. Then what is 2 root 2? AB. What is 3 root 2? BC. So AC equal to AB plus BC. Our condition satisfied. That means these 3 points, given 3 points, are collinear. This is our test for to checking a collinear. There is another like method to check collinearity. Try to understand method for checking collinearity. Okay, assume I have given 3 points: A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2. Okay, sorry, and C, x3, y3. Clear? How to check that these points are making collinear or not collinear? Okay, you know now how to find the determinant. Then that's enough. Write just x1, y1, 1 here, x2, y2, 1 here, x3, y3, 1 here. If this determinant value is equal to 0, then given 3 points are collinear. Okay, okay. If not equal to 0, this determinant value, then they are not collinear. Okay, clear? They are they're not collinear. Okay, this is, you can check also this example. 2 minus 4. Okay, just take this example. 2 minus 4, I want to check this method, verify this method. 4 minus 2, 7, 1. 4 minus 2, 7, 1. Okay, now check, just put the value. X1, what is the x1 value? 2, y1 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 2, 1, and 7, 1, 1. Just find the determinant value. 2, this minus 2 minus 1 plus 4, 4 minus 7 plus 1 plus 1, 4 plus this 7 2s are 14. Okay, what is the value for this? Minus 6, this minus 12. Clear? And what is the for 16? It is equal to 0. That means they are collinear. Clear? So that's method also useful for so many cases. Now next, just try to your basic definitions. What is equilateral triangle? If all sides are equal in the sense of length, then I can say that these are equilateral triangle. First conditions: AB equal to BC equal to CD. I have to make these things. Okay, all sides are equal. Clear? Isosceles triangle, that means two sides should be equal. Here AC equal to BC is equal. Okay, don't care about AB. So that triangle is called isosceles triangle. And scalene triangle, all the sides are different. That means the length of AC and length of BC, and length of AB, all are different. Okay, then we call that type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Next, right angle triangle, they have one angle which is 90 degree, and also satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. AB square, that means height square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, and this is the this is also called Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now that's enough.